So this is my succulent and baby corner, baby plant corner. So I keep all my tiny cuttings here and nurture them into full plants. And this is the most loved bougainvillea bush. And this currently is my favorite corner. I mean, look at these beautiful bulbs. So amaryllis lilies, I love them so much just because of this reason that when they pop up all together. These are all little tiny bird houses that are actually occupied. So we have birds living here. So pretty much all corners in my house are kind of imperfect, as in I don't practice perfection a lot. So you will see a lot of things that are reclaimed here and a lot of things that are actually collected, that have been collected over a long period of time from different places. So I bought this little parrot from Pondicherry. And this corner here, I actually created it out of a waste ladder lying around. And of course, my most favorite part of my terrace is this little jhula. And this is basically a bed sheet that is, I think, over 50 years old. So I am not technically a painter, but I absolutely love randomly scribbling on the walls, as simple as that, okay? So the moment you enter the terrace, this is the first thing you see. Another thing that I actually handmade myself is this particular art form here. It's called Lipan. It's from Gujarat. So I stuck these on and then I put these mirror